Hi viewers, good morning. This is Mahesh. Welcome back to my channel, Interview Guidance for Java. Today I am going to discuss about the topmost Java interview questions for the experienced guys with Java people. And these are the basic, the common interview questions asked in almost 60 to 70% of the Java interviews as of now. And today I'm going to discuss about all these. The series one, I'm going to discuss about these five of the top Java programs which was commonly asked in all the Java interviews. So for the here are the list of Java programs today I'm going to cover, and this is the first program what we faced for a lot of times in Java interviews. So first one is write a Java program to find the most repeated word in a text file. So this one is I have seen a lot of many of the interviews and the Java interviews. People are asking about this kind of program, a program to find a repeated word, most repeated word from a text file. Here, I just given some of the logic, basic logic to find out that most repeated word from a text file by using Java implementation. You can see that line by line of the implementation of the logic. You can say just get some of the basic variable creations. After that, we need to we have a local file. The local directory can keep on file my first file dot text file txt file. We can just opens the file in a read mode, and we can go the file by reading the file by each line by line. So here we can see the logic like buffer reader. I am using here buffer reader. By using the buffer reader, we can split out the file by line and get the string of that each line of the file. So now we are creating one empty word array list here with the strings of array list. So we are keeping after read by while reading the file one by line, we can keep all my empty strings into whatever the strings into reading line into the word array, and we can getting that array of the words, and we can go back to that. We can get the size of the array and words array, and we can put a like iteration logic here for loop, and we can determine the most repeated word in a file. So we can use a count variable here, and we can based on the word iteration we can increase the count variable here. At the end we can print the word whatever the most repeated word based on the count and max count variables here. So these are the basic common interview questions where you can see in all of the almost 50 to 60 or 70% of the interviews, Java interviews, you can face this kind of question in Java. And I'm going to the next question. So write a Java program for sum the digits of a given number. So it's just like we have a number like 124. So it's whenever I have this kind of, they just give a number 124 or 356 something like that. You just need to give the sum of the digits like 124. For example, you can say number is 124. 1 plus 2 plus 4 like 3. 1 plus 2 3 plus 4 7 like output is 7. So for this simple logic, we just write one while loop, and we can get that sum of that particular get number by percentile 10 and by 10 by divided by 10. You can see that we can print the sum variable. You can see what is the exact output. This is a simple program, but it's a most repeatedly asked question in Java. And we'll go for the next question. How to swap two numbers without using a temporary variable in Java. Like we can swap two numbers by using temporary variable simple way by assigning the variable to the temp and temp to another variable. So that way we can see a lot of times. But this is just asking like swapping two numbers without using a temporary variable. Like suppose I have two variables here, int x equal to 10, int y equal to 5. So what they are expecting output is should be x equal to 5 and y equal to 10. Just swapping the two numbers without using temporary variable. So here simple logic, only three lines of logic you need to write: x equal to x plus y equal to x minus y, and x equal to x minus y. So this will gives me the output as a swapping of both the variables. Printing like x equal to 5 and y equal to 10. It's a simple question, but is also most repeated question in the Java interviews. And I can go for the next question is write a program to find second largest number in an array. So for suppose I have an array 1 2 5 6 3 2. So I want to in this array I have max highest number is 6. What is the second highest number is 5. So I wanted to find that second highest number is a 5. I need to print it. So for this I just taken a length of the array and iterating the array based on the length, and I can go for the each and every element in the array and assign that variable to the temporary variable that by putting the condition and adding that array of each element to temporary and the temporary variable, from temporary variable to again to the another iteration loop. So for the same thing I can get into the while return, I can return second number by using that length minus 2. So this is a simple program. Again, it's also the basic and common interview question in the all Java guys, for all Java guys. One last question is like in the series, there is my fifth interview question. As of the now, 10 I am going to discuss, but today I am going to cover up to 5 questions. This is the fifth question. Write a program to print a pyramid using Java. So we just wanted to run print one pyramid. It's just like a star or space, kind of any number you can print. So for suppose I can take I wanted to print a pyramid by using stars. So here I can take so many rows I can print, like 5 or 6 rows. I can just take it as 5 rows. So I taken as the 5 rows and iterating the based on the rows, by taking the rows and iterating each row and giving the space between the rows, like the space variable you can take rows minus each, like iteration we can print space. After space we can take one more while loop, we can see that printing the stars one by one. So this is also one of the common interview questions, and a lot of times I have faced this question in my interviews also. Also I found this almost 70 to 80% of interviews are providing these kind of questions to print pyramid using stars or different numbers or some kind of texts also. So this might be question might be different, but all the logic is the same to print the pyramid. So guys, today the first part of the series, my programming series, I given in the list of top 10. I provided 5 of the interview questions, tough questions, and in my in my second video, I'm going to provide in the second part of the video, I'm going to provide remaining 5 interview questions along with other Java continuation. I'm going to provide other Java interviews also, the questions also. Please watch out to my videos and subscribe to my channel Java interviews interview guidance by Mahesh. So please subscribe to my channel and you can keep watching onto my videos. You can get knowledge on Java interviews and experience guys for Java. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot again.